Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. After the starting intro, today we're reviewing the TECKNET Gaming Keyboard, a USB wired keyboard built for durability, colorful lighting, and responsive typing or gaming performance with user-friendly features. This keyboard offers 1.5-zone RGB illumination, giving you vibrant lighting effects that bring your setup to life. The multi-zone RGB lets you customize colorful zones with different effects so your keyboard looks dynamic while you play or work. It features whisper quiet gaming switches, which provide a comfortable typing feel with less noise, perfect for both gaming sessions and everyday typing without loud clicks disturbing your space. You also get 25 anti-ghosting keys, ensuring your simultaneous key presses are accurately registered during intense gaming moments. The all-metal panel gives the keyboard a solid and durable build that feels reliable and premium, while the IP32 water resistance adds protection against spills and splashes, a nice safety feature for everyday use. The plug-and-play wired USB connection makes setup simple with no drivers required. Just plug it into your PC or laptop and you're ready to go. Whether you're gaming, working, or chatting online, this keyboard offers dependable performance and eye-catching RGB lighting. Overall, the TECKNET Gaming Keyboard combines user-friendly features, solid build quality, responsive performance, and fun lighting into an affordable wired gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next one.